Hi everyone. As per the discussion in the last video or last lecture, that is type of flow. Today we are going to discuss the notches and weirs, which can be used to measure the rate of flow for a liquid through a small channels, or maybe it may be tank, whatever. From that device or instrument means which are the notches and weirs can be used to measure the rate of flow of a liquid through the small channels or the tank. So, today we will discuss all these weir and notches. So, basically notch is a device. Okay. The first of all question is what? That is what is notch? So, notch is the device used for measuring the rate of flow of liquid through a small channel or a tank. Small channel or a tank. Then or it may be defined as an opening in the side of a tank or small channel in such a way that the liquid surface in the tank or channel is below the top edge of the opening. This is the another definitions of notch. Then weir is the concrete or masonry structure placed in an open channel over which the flow occur. Here you can see that for understanding notch is placed below the top edge of the opening, and weir is a device which is used or placed in an open channel over which flow occur. Means it may place in an open channel, okay, over which the flow occurs. That is the difference between notch and weirs. It is generally in the form of vertical wall with a sharp edge at the top, running all the way across the open channel. And notch is a small size while weir is of larger size or bigger size. Then notch is generally made up of metallic plate while weir is made up of concrete or masonry structure. So, these are some points which can be explain or show the difference between the weirs and notches. So, nappy or when the sheet of water flowing over a notch, the sheet of water flowing through a notch or over a weir is called nappy or wane. And then crest or sill, that is the bottom edge of the notch or a top of the weir over which water flow. So, nappy and crest are described are indicated by the figure which is given in the next slide. I will show you on that time. Okay. So, classification of notches and weirs. The notches are classified as according to the shape of opening, and number 2 according to the effect of the side on the nappy. So, as per the shape of the opening, they are classified in 4 types, that is rectangular notch, triangular notch, trapezoidal notch and step notch. On the basis of effect of the side of the nappy, it may be classified into two types, that is notch with end contraction and notch without end contraction, or simply suppressed notch. Then weir, then classification of weir. So, weir are classified according to the shape of opening, then shape of the crest and effect of the side on the nappy, and last is the nature of discharge. So, according to the shape of the opening, the weirs are classified into 3 types, that is rectangular weir, triangular weir and trapezoidal weir. Trapezoidal weir, also called as Cipollati weir. Cipollati weir. Okay. Then, according to the shape of crest, it is classified into 4 types, that is sharp crested weir, broad crested weir, narrow crested weir and augie shape weir. Next classification based on the effect of the side of the emerging nappy. The weirs are classified into 2 types, that is weir with end contraction and weir without end contraction. So, these are the classification of weir and notches. Then discharge over the rectangular notch or weir. So, I have told you in last slide, I have explained about the nappy and crest. So, you can see in the figure the nappy and crest of the crest or seal of the rectangular notch. So, nappy means what? It is the sheet of water flowing through a notch. Nappy is the sheet of water flowing through a notch or over a weir is called as a nappy or vein, and crest or seal is the bottom edge of the notch or top of a weir over which water flows, that is the crest. So, these are the 2 terms which are nappy and weir. So, these are the general introduction about the notches and weirs. In this lecture, we have seen that notches, weir, its definitions, then 2 terms, that is nappy and crest. After that, we have seen the classification of notches and weirs according to the different basis or on the basis of different, that is the shape, effect of side. Then weir on the basis of shape of the opening, shape of the crest and effect of side on the emerging nappy. In next lecture, we will see about the derivations or the discharge over a rectangular notch or weir. Okay. So, be prepared for this today's lecture for next derivations for understanding of the derivations of discharge over the rectangular notch or weir. Okay. So, we will meet in next video. So, thank you.